Kathy and I'm here today with Paige.
Hi!
And today I am going to do a quick lesson to teach you how I like to assess where my students are on their fry words or their sight words. So to do that, I'm going to start with the first 100 fry words, and I'm choosing the first 100 fry words because Paige is in first grade. So by the end of the year, the goal is for her to have those words mastered. I'm going to give her a list that looks like this, and it's 5 columns of 20 words. If you are looking at that list of words and think that that's going to be really overwhelming for your child, then you might cut it into pieces and only give them one strip at a time, or fold it so they can only see 20 words at a time. While I'm doing this assessment, I also want to make sure that I am not causing frustration. So I want to see where the child is, but I don't want to, kind of break down their confidence. So if we go through this first 20 words and there's a lot of mistakes in the words, I can stop right there because I have the data I need to then go on and work with Paige on her sight words. If she flies through the first column, we'll keep going as far as we need to, because the goal of this is to figure out what words she needs to work on. So I do want her to miss some, but I don't want to cause a lot of frustration. So I have a checklist that looks like this. It has 4 columns. There's a spot for her name and for the date. And so I'll add the date for today, and we'll go through enough words that, like I said, she has some that she misses. And then I will mark when she misses a word. I like to sometimes just put a little circle or a check when she misses, and then I have what I need to do the next step in practicing sight words. So I'm going to have her go ahead and start with that first column for me. I have the date at the top of the page and her name, and I will just keep track of how she's doing. All right, Paige.
I don't know this one.
Of.
And. A. To. In. It.
Is.
You. That.
All right, keep going.
It. He. Was. For. On. Are. As. With. His. This one.
They.
I.
All right, let's do the next column so we have a few more words to practice.
Okay. At. Be. This. Have. Not this one.
From. Or.
One. Had. By. Word.
Yeah.
But. Not.
What.
All. Where.
Were.
We. This one.
When.
Your. Can. Said.
Good job. All right, let's do a few more on here so we have a few more words to work on. All right, what's that one?
Okay. I don't know.
There. Use. Which.
She.
Yeah.
Do.
How. There.
If.
If. All right, we're going to stop right there. That's at 50 words, and I have about 10 words that she has missed, so that gives us a good number to kind of start. In the next video, I'll kind of show you what I do with these words now that we have some idea of what she needs to work on to help with her sight word mastery. Thanks for joining us today.
Bye.